Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so I believe it's K Jeff Crystal. Okay, ask me how do right now I'm chewing on cloves. Okay, cloves is very good to get rid of parasites, freshen your breath, and everything like that. But anyway, so they asked me, I believe it's a girl, asked me how do I put all the herbs in a container and how do I steep it. Okay, so first up, I had this canister, this little thing. Okay, now if you go on Amazon, you could get this. It comes inside a glass kettle. Okay, a kettle pot. Now my glass kettle pot, it broke. Okay, so I went to Home Goods and I got this. Would I recommend this? No. Okay. And the reason being is because it's metal. All right. So what I tend to do is, if you take this, you could do it one of two ways. You could put your herbs in here, and then you can go and do this. So say the water, you got your water boiling and everything like that. And then we are going to put our herbs in here. Once the water is boiling, okay, you take your herbs. Now this herb, what I have right here, this is raspberry leaf. Raspberry leaf is great for the hormones, balancing out your hormones. It's good for the uterus. It's good for the blood flow, like when you're on your menstrual and stuff like that. And so I would take this raspberry leaf. It's a great herb for the reproductive system. Okay, so I take some. I never measure the herbs. Okay, I just listen to what my spirit is telling me. Okay, and then I do some lavender or whatever it is like that, and I'll put it in this little metal thing. And once my water is boiling and I hear like the noise coming from the kettle pot, then I turn the fire off and then just put this in the water while the fire is off, and then let it sit for 15 minutes so it can steep. Okay, you could do it that way, or you could put this in a cup like this, and you could put like a top on it because you don't want the steam and stuff to be released. You want all that goodness, all that yummy, tummy. Okay, so you want to put a top on, a lid on here while it is in a cup, and let it steep for 15 minutes, and then you good to go. So it is 1 teaspoon to 8 ounces of water. Okay. But for me, I listen to my body, and I've been doing it this way for a while now, and that's the way I do it. So I hope this helps. K Jeff Crystal, I hope this helps you, honey. And make sure you're rocking out, believing in yourself, and keep on going.